kailangan i-prove. So, parang,
kasi
ang ragsa naman ito.
Let's say yung tatay ko, he was a minister of Marcos. And he was a politician at the same time.
Minister of what? Sorry, please refresh me. Agriculture.
I was in the Senate.
Wasn't it Bong Tangko?
After Bong Tangko.
Arturo Tangko.
Right after Bong Tangko, it was my dad.
Okay. Now
in 84.
Okay.
From 84 to... So he became minister from July of 84 up to...
the Feb Revolution.
February of 86.
Okay.
Less than 2 years now.
Wow.
Less than 2 years.
Why do you sound proud that it's just less than 2 years?
No, less than 2 years because at that time I learned a valuable lesson. People were thinking that it will never end. Marcos will never leave. Marcos will never be deposed. He will remain president for life. After him, Imelda will become president.
Yeah.
Parang walang katapusan. And it was short-lived, and I learned that valuable lesson early on in life.
Do you admire Ferdinand Marcos? Is he your idol?
Nothing lasts forever.
Is he your idol? Do you like Ferdinand Marcos? You kind of sound like him sometimes.
No, Bongbong sounds like
he
him.
He does.
As in, really?
Dude, pag pumikit ka, di ba? Katakot,
as in, really? Sorry, malayo ko doon.
Alam mo, pag pumikit ka, tapos pasabi mo sa kanyang Our Nation Can Be Great Again, yung mga piyok, exactly.
Yung bagong diwa na lang.
Diba? Our Nation Can Be Great Again. Yun ba yung line? Anyway.
Even Aimee sounds like her sometimes.
May cadence sila, no? Yung poses, ganyan.
But I'm not like that.
May ganun ka minsan.
Ako?
Oo.
Really?
Oo. Yung shirt jack mo, that's a Ferdinand Marcos thing.
This one?
Yeah.
Actually, mo, nag-iisa lang to. Gasgas na to.
Yan.
Wala.
I just liked it.
I just liked it. I haven't liked it.
Yeah, maganda naman.
Pero nabili ko na ito nung magkakilala kami.
At least mas nung magkakilala
na kayo. Alam mo, ba't ba ako palagi inaakusahan pag maganda ang suot ko dahil kay Heart? Wala ba akong karapatang mamili ng magandang damit? Dahil pinili ko lang talaga yun at wala siyang kinalaman. Ganun ba yun talaga?
Grabe, no? What a difference a girl makes. Amazing.
Di ba, wala bang akong karapatan mamili ng magandang damit?
Pwede naman.
Magkaroon ng magandang desisyon?
Grabe. Wala tayong topic talaga ngayong gabi, no?
Wala
Sorry, nabubuhan ka ba sa interview natin? Kasi ang dami kong ginagawa habang kausap kita. Alam mo ba, nag-i-email pa ako ngayon ng disaster response sa Balanga. Pero ini-interview naman kita ng maayos. Saka tuloy-tuloy ka naman magsalita.
Maayos ba yung...
Gago. But we did announce that this is a zero politics.
What did she say? Great.
Donna said sobrang showbiz ng answers.
Donna, it's not my fault. My answers are showbiz because all of her questions are showbiz.
Not all.
Of course.
Not all. Let's ask her. She said, #can't stand the guy. Just kidding. Loko lang. Ako lang yun.
Easily. You can tune off sa program ni Gang. Hindi sa akin, hindi ko programa.
It's not even mine. It's Martin. Dapat nga, nandito si... Ba't kaya wala si Erwin tsaka si Lourdes? Sinatanong ko lang. Let's play this. Because
Gang, Erwin, and Lourdes.
See, we like that. That's our names. Wala kaming apelido. Di ba parang porn star? Parang si Cher.
Actually, may apelido yun. May apelido na sila ngayon.
Hindi, meron daw. Pinag-usapan namin yan the last time. Sabi ni Lord, yung mga apelido daw nila, Moon, Starlight, gano'n, Carrot.
Well, there was a time that apelido ng politika yung ginagamit na.
Meron mga artista na Escudero? Wala.
Actually, meron noon.
Sino?
Noon, short-lived. I don't even know.
You don't want us to know.
No.
For those who
there's one.
I have a fact about Francis Escudero that people don't know. He was an endorser of plates and dishes and spoons and forks when he was 10 years
with
old.
My mom
with
and
your
my
mom.
brother.
See? Diba? It was
Bro.
Nag-endorse ka. Kayo yung kids na nandun sa commercial, di ba? Sa print ad.
Bungi pa ako nun.
Bungi ka nun? Wala sa masikip yung ngiti mo.
Hindi, temporary. Naubos yung temporary ko.
Wait, ilan taon ka nun? 10?
I was about 10.
Somebody actually found the ad.
And I was wearing a jumpsuit. Alam mo yung jumpsuit nun? Naterno pa kami ng kapatid ko.
Anong kulay ng
jumpsuit? Alam mo yung jumpsuit? Yung gano'n?
Yung tuloy-tuloy. Yung
parang pang-piloto, pang-race car driver.
At saka mekaniko.
Parang mekaniko.
Alam mo, ganyan din yung mga sumasayaw sa mga sa mga shower ng
and even if my brother was 2 years older than I was, terno kami. Hindi naman kami kambal, pero terno kami.
Ganoon naman lagi para hindi na mag-isip. Grabe. Okay, let's end with like a little more. Gusto mo ba
serious na? Hindi na...
Gusto ko na mag-end
Donna, this for you?
Serious question?
No, I'm kidding.
Pucha, may serious question. Alam mo, nobody's asking you serious questions eh.
Wala.
Shit, natalo Ascal's mate. Somebody just messaged me.
Really?
Yeah.
O, tamo kamukha niya. Sabi siya, pag may binoboto ba kami, kaya ginudla ko si Dan, at saka brad ko si Dan, at saka
Dapat
Ascals,
hindi ka nag-good
yun nga,
luck.
inisip ko na rin eh.
Alam mo, everything else malas kasi sinuwerte ka sa pag-ibig.
Ganun ba yan?
Baka.
O di yung kalaban ko, yung igugud lang ko. Yung kalaban ko, yung naimaboto ko, ganun ba yan?
Sino ang mga... Name me one instance. I know you will say hindi ka na bothered with, haters and people who bash you. People say, but because you're used to it, you probably have some anesthetic. But was there one that was said about you that really, really hurt you, like really bothered you? I just want to know kung meron. And who said it? Did we sue? You should sue people.
Ayoko sabihin kasi baka gawin nila uli eh.
Okay.
Diba?
Sige, wag na lang. That's
When you
true,
say
that's
it-
true.
when you
But
say
there
it-
has been one
When you
na,
say what affects you, all the more they do it.
I got it. I shouldn't have asked
Yes,
that. But there
definitely.
has been one.
Definitely, but I usually have...
Okay, I want to know lang the effect. Like, hindi ka nakatulog. Na.
Well, you felt bad. You started questioning yourself na,
Oh.
yung ba siyan ba? Or, totoo ba?
Okay.
But, how shall I put it? I handle it by simply tuning off.
That's a good muscle to
You
have.
tune off.
Ignore.
Stop looking at Twitter, even if you have about 100 messages there. You just
Jesus,
press
why?
it. Shh! Gagano lahat
Gone.
yun. I mean, tapos na, you don't read the rest.
That's right.
If it's in the newspapers, you simply just don't read the papers for the next 3 days.
Oh.
If it's on TV, it's so easy not to watch the news.
That's
You know, the biggest percentage of people watching the news will be 23%. So 77% actually don't watch it.
That's why we're
So
happy.
I'd rather be-
That's why we're a happy nation.
So I'd rather be part of that 77% during those times that they're not saying good things about you.
I have a question. Pero may question ako.
It's so easy to listen to the FM stations rather than the AM stations in the morning.
You seem to be a person that you can't take someone telling you a bad thing about you. Is that true? Like,
Hindi naman.
paano yun pa may cordon ka around dito, tas lahat sila, Senator, ang galing mo, nyaw.
Alam mo, quite the contrary.
Really?
Let's use Bibet as an example.
Oh God, that's an exceptional
That's
example.
precisely my point. We're still close and she says all of those things.
But she's Bibeth.
But if that were the case, then...
Do we say...
Ayun.
You're not even gonna take any of my
Si
criticism.
Bibet, kinuha kong ninang. Ayun, example. I would even get her as a sponsor. But keeps my feet on the ground.
Yeah. But she likes you, so that's not even...
Evidence to the contrary. I often tell her that. I mean, if you actually like me, why don't you say good things to me about me? To me.
To you.
To me.
I can't believe you're not gonna take any of my advice. That's stupid.
No, I will listen to it. I said I'll listen to it.
If you're listening, this is Rock Ed Radio. I'm with Senator Cheese
Can't I
Escudera,
consider it?
and I asked him 4 years ago the first thing you'll do if you become president, and he said, "I will jail you. I will send you to jail." Do you remember you said that? And then you said,
I
"Ha? Sisikat ka nga eh kasi
We
i-release
were
kita."
drinking beer, I think, or something at that time. That is a long time
It was a
ago.
very long
I think
time.
you were even in your house at that time.
Yes. No, your house.
No, your
Oh
house.
yeah, mine. And you finished. Yeah.
Your
Yeah.
house.
You were drunk.
Sa bahay ko,
Ano,
doon
you
natulog
were
yung asawa
drunk.
mo. I
You were
wasn't.
drunk. You were drunk.
Sa bahay ko, doon natulog yung asawa mo. habang umiinom yata tayo, natulog yung asawa mo na
Sabi
sa
niya,
sala.
inaantok siya pumunta sa sala. Tapos he said, oh, is that guy a senator? Sabi niya. Natuwa talaga ako doon. Sabi niya, like, senator, a real senator? I'm like, what's a not real senator?
Greek senator.
Star Wars? Ano alam ba, senator of Naboo?
Of Rome.
Grabe, wala talaga tayong topic. But this is the point. I told Joy, Judy, there's no topic, there's no anything. It's not
Yeah, she
serious.
warned me and she was scared for me and she was concerned that I might get mad at her. That
No.
anything and everything was going to I go. In my
I
past
didn't
life
really-
probably. But
No, was this a waste of time? You wiled away traffic
no,
with
but
me.
in my past life nga probably, but actually
But you need. We just wanted to talk to you and say, oh, are you human? Are you human now? Because last time you weren't. You're cyborg.
ano yung movie si Robin Williams, yung robot siya, tapos naging
No.
What's that?
Sino yan? Shucks.
Centennial
Bicentennial Man.
Yeah.
Kakainis love talaga. Let's do this again. Doka lang.
And fell in love with
Yeah.
the granddaughter.
You were all about
Right?
love tonight,
The
Senator
granddaughter.
Escudero. No, but that's good. We also want to know eh. There's so many things said about your wedding. You got to
Alam,
fix
minsan
that
nga-
Balasin mess. You got to fix that Balasin alleged mess.
Actually, it was not a mess. They were. sorry for saying this.
No, it's
I
okay.
hope they're.
You don't have to ask her
I
that.
hope they're happy, but it was never the 14th.
Okay.
It was never the 14th.
That's her birthday, right? Isn't that her birthday?
They just simply assumed because Hart didn't want it.
Ah.
Kasi makakatipid na sana ako yung regalo ng Valentine's anniversary at saka birthday. Sana isa na lang eh.
Yeah, may second day pa. Kaya niya minove.
And
You give her flowers.
again,
You give her flowers a lot. Yeah,
of
That's
course,
good.
every 3 or 4 days
flowers are good.
because it lasts for 3 days. So.
What if you don't give her flowers and start loving her dogs? That's a better gift, right?
I'm learning to. Last I'm getting there. I have only one favorite though.
Sino? Si
Si
Casper.
Khaleesi. No,
Si Khaleesi, the
Girly.
Maltese. Malambing.
I guess yung babaeng aso mas malapit sa
Sa
lalaki
lalaking
somehow.
tao.
Yung
Oo.
lalaking aso mas malapit sa babae.
That's true. Remember you said you both saw my dog? And
Yeah, yung tamad na
Tamad.
nakahilata lang. Na kahit galaw,
Hi!
kahit nasa likod ng pinto at kahit galaw, buksan mo yung pinto, hindi pa rin siya gagalaw doon.
Door stopper.
Yeah.
Hoy, hey, don't say that about my dog.
I remember.
His name is Justice. And one time, the president said, hey, how's Justice? Kala ko yung dog ko. Like, uy, toilet trained na siya. Yung pala yung daddy ko yung tinatanong niya. Sabi ko, nagwiwiwi na yun sa labas.
Iba naman yung The Justice. Ano sabi niya, House The Justice?
Justice the dog. Iba sa Justice the dad.
Iba yung House The Justice sa Justice The
The dog. Okay, I think do you want to say anything? Because I really just wild through this
Nothing,
interview.
I'll
told Joy,
I'll
did she
I'll
warn you that
Yeah,
it's
she
just a
did.
nothing interview?
Don, I'll just stick to it, purely showbiz, nothing serious. But again, it's not my fault.
See, that bothered you. This negative comment bothered
Where did
you
that?
from an unknown listener
Where
named
did that?
Donna.
You know why?
What?
It in my past life probably it would have, but quite
Yeah.
frankly, I'm not bothered by it.
Hey, did this
Anymore.
change happen overnight or did it slowly happen?
Slowly, I guess.
You see, yeah, because you know what? Now you can actually look at people in the eye when you're talking to them. You didn't used to.
Because I was shy.
Shy. Alam mo, tapos na tong interview na
I
to.
felt
Tapos
like-
na.
I felt like you would see through me or
Putres.
I'm kidding.
No, really. Ang sarap ng walang KBP, no? Kasi I can just bad word and say no. But that's fine. Bad words are bad. Don't say bad words. No. I'm not, by the way, just to make it clear, I'm not campaigning for Senator Escudero. I don't think I ever even
I
voted
think
for
that's
him.
obvious.
I just,
I don't think you have to
no, kasi
explain
baka
that.
isipin
I
nila.
don't think she has to annotate that, right? I mean, that's quite
Yeah,
obvious.
this is why you don't listen to me. Kasi feeling mo, hindi ko siya fans club. Di ako makikinig sa kanya. Nakikinig ka lang sa fans mo eh.
Of course not. Again, why do I listen to Bibet?
Please send corned beef again, then we'll talk. No. What was that? Sinigang. Na maanghang-anghang.
Na may halong sili.
Yeah, okay, that's
Yeah,
fine.
no.
By the way, for people who don't know, Senator Escudero cooks really well.
Only certain dishes.
Certain dishes really well. Pala. No, but no.
Hindi lahat.
Just to make it clear, I'm not campaigning for him. I don't even like
That's
the guy.
clear.
I'm
That's
not
clear.
even. But we thought we'd
That's
interview
clear.
him because he's the one with the marriage coming, and I want to ask him, A, will you run for president? And he said he's not planning, not doing anything. 2, what do you think of people who think your wedding is an election strategy?
Clear answer there.
Clear answer. That was a good answer. You thought of that. He said, bachelor president, wedding before elections, candidate for vice president, didn't win.
So,
That's right. But
history, you should learn from history, so that you don't get to repeat the
You know
mistakes
what?
of history.
it's good to see you. It's good to see you this way. At least finally you're talking blah, 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 blah. And so just to let
Really?
you know, yeah. Woo! I'm gonna get into trouble. Let's do this again.
This summer.
Oh god, that's an old ad. That's an NU107 ad, which is not our station. Anyway, anything you want to say before you leave? Any bill that you're about to... Well, I don't know. How
Nothing
do you
really.
end?
We just passed the budget. We'll be passing the budget formally in plenary next week. To keep the government running.
Is it easy to get in touch with you Twitter, ganyan, if somebody needs your
answer.
help, etc., etc. Do you still have like hospitals stuff that I always, na?
Kayo naman bawal, PDAF yun, bawal yun.
Kami ba yun?
Hindi.
Just to let you know, can you put it back? Because Senator Escudero always helps
Wala
me
po.
when I need
Wala na
hospital
eh. You can't
help.
anymore.
You can't assist anymore.
In fact, we even copied the Supreme Court provision on PDAF in the budget just to remove any doubt that there's still pork barrel there. So
Just so you know, kasi we jumped straight into this conversation. When there was PDAF, Senator Escudero's PDAF was in hospitals mostly.
but that
And every time I needed help with hospitals, it was...
but with that decision
Imagine,
kasi,
I don't even like you. I ask money from you.
but with that decision kasi it hurt both those who were using it illegally, wrongfully, and those who were using it correctly too.
in the right
Because you
sense.
can't choose it. You have to come up with a rule that applies to all.
Oh, I guess.
And it was made to apply to all of us. So less problem actually on our part because we don't have to choose who to give it to, how much we should give
Yeah.
to whomsoever.
Yeah.
We can easily and politely say we don't have any funds
Yeah.
anymore. Sorry.
Yeah, because of PDAF.
Less work on our part too.
That's right.
Insofar as dispensing. Kaya lang, marami lang na kailangan na. Will the director of a hospital actually go out of his way and spend time listening to someone who needs his help because he's the one signing? I don't think so.
No, maybe not.
Yeah, maybe not.
Shucks.
So you have to fall in line and they wouldn't care less. They'll assign you numbers
Yeah.
and you'll just be a number, a statistic. So that's what we have to grapple with. That's what we have to live with.
Do you want PDAF back in that good sense?
I
Because
guess
now I'm thinking maybe we should have it back.
I guess a mechanism should be a clear, more accountable, more transparent mechanism, whether through a congressman or senator or director of a hospital.
Because the cancer in that scenario where people using it the wrong way, doing the Napoles, the fake NGO, etc., etc. Could we have addressed that PDAF thing straight to where the bad cells were and not,
Yes.
and not
Yes, we could have.
cauterize the whole
Yes,
thing?
we could have, but the
and-
clamor was simply.
What?
I mean, it was the first time that actually there was evidence. For example, when I was a new congressman,
Oh.
we've been hearing stories about textbooks, about
Yeah,
medicines, about fake NGOs. All of a sudden, you just see a congressman na may bagong koto bigla, ang ganda bigla ng relos niya when he didn't
Hindi mo gaganda din yung kotse mo.
when he didn't have one before. But how may naririnig ka but you can't prove it.
Yeah.
Ngayon lang naman merong lumabas na nagsalita who can actually prove it. Di ba? It takes one to know one. You have to be part of the syndicate
That's right.
to actually have proof. You have to be a thief too. It takes one to know one. It takes one to catch one.
Okay.
Louis was part of it.
Yeah.
He no qualms about it. He knew what he was doing was wrong.
Yeah.
But he was doing it. But you need someone like him to actually be able to.
How would you have suggested a more pointed way of getting rid of it? Kasi like I said, yung mali naman dun was the Napoles arrangement, all these fake NGOs. But we burnt the whole thing, technically. Parang chemotherapy. Bleh, pati yung
No, but
good
the Supreme
cells.
Court decided on that. I'll give you an example. Supreme Court said bawal daw, di ba? Bawal daw kasi nakikialam pa kami sa budget. Bawal daw sa DAP because may cross-border.
Okay.
I'll show you an example. Mayors give money to councilors.
Yeah. Yes.
Shouldn't that be prohibited too? Councilors interfere with the budget. Board members interfere with the provincial budget. Shouldn't that be prohibited too? Now, if cross-border from Congress to the judiciary, executive judiciary is not allowed, then should we continue to allow mayors to give money to judges, allowances to judges? I mean,
Yeah. I get it.
it doesn't extend that far, but we have to, continue on with this kind of thinking. Yes, what's that?
Somebody tweeted the headline, Cheese goes for Noibi in 2010.
2010.
Do you regret Cheese goes for Noibi?
No. Do I regret having done that? No.
No.
I didn't know about those things at that time. What they're accusing Binay of, it hasn't even been proven yet, in court at least. I didn't know about those things at that time. If he's referring to Noy Noy,
No, more of course is
More of Binay.
More Binay, I think so.
I didn't know those things at that time.
Ano music playlist ni Senator kapag tumatakbo? Well, we said you don't
Most
listen
ladies.
to music.
I remember that headline.
Yeah, you want a picture of it? I can send it.
Oh,
to
I have
you.
a copy. Actually, somewhere in our office.
It
we
says
have a copy.
Cheese goes for Noibi.
You know, we were thinking of that. What we were thinking of at that time.
B.
Noy Nay.
Noy
Didn't
Nay.
sound good.
No,
It
because
sounded feminine.
no, It was Noy Nay minus vice president because it's Cory and... Just kidding.
No, Noy Nay nga. So,
Nanay ni Noy Noy yung...
it didn't sound...
Binoto.
It wasn't as good.
Noy Nay.
So, mas parang stiff. Mas parang yung Noy
Noy
B.
Judge. Just
Noy
kidding.
B, di ba? Parang...
Ikaw ba nag-isip nun?
Yeah.
I remember...
We set that up.
I remember tweeting after elections and the winner is Cheese Escudero. Just kidding.
Actually, we set that up in the beginning.
Alam mo, hindi ka pa tumatakbong presidente, panalo ka na. Hello, asawa mo kaya si Arte Evangelista?
Hindi pa, sa February
sa
pa lang.
February pa, sorry. Kung nga hindi ako lalaki, ganda-ganda ako sa kanya eh. Needless to say, somebody asked, what do you think of what do you think of Aisa's marriage?
We were
talking about that before we went on air. Yeah, someone saying
I've been in
illegal.
long discussions with the I keep on forgetting
LGBT.
the sequence. LGBT community.
Lesbian, gay, bisexual, and
they're looking. Actually, I agree with them. They are looking at and studying, and we are working on it together on a gender recognition bill. This is way ahead of
gender recognition, meaning someone can declare what their gender
not
is.
by the accident of birth.
Not by physical...
Not by the accident of birth.
Not by the accident of birth.
But it's a matter of right for you to determine that by yourself.
Okay, wait. I have a question.
No, that's advanced.
Okay.
That's why I told them, down the road probably, we're not yet there.
We're not there.
But I agree with you in principle because they were discussing, for example, cross-dressers.
Oo.
Bibihis siya ng... Hindi pa siya nagpapa-sex change, bihis siya ng babae. Example, it's her right to dress that way, think that way, act that way.
Yeah.
Paano pag pupunta siya sa airport? Saan siya pipila?
Sino kakapkap sa kanya?
She might feel violated.
That's
that
true.
it's a guy doing it, and people will look at her.
That's true.
Kung pumila naman siya sa kabila, di ba parang still there's discrimination right there and there. If you go to,
but that's a detail.
if you want to go to
that's
the CR,
easy, you know.
If you want to go to the restroom, they told me they usually go to the handicap. If there is.
I usually do when there's pila. And I don't
If there is,
up.
pero kung wala, if you're across there, you're dressed like a girl. So, do you go to the ladies' restroom?
Yeah, I get. Well, yeah.
No, di ba? I mean, minsan, they told me stories
but
like...
But that's not the gravest thing about it, di ba? That's
No,
just
it's parang simple.
Oo nga, exactly.
They go to the airport again, immigration officer, again,
passport
dressed like a girl.
says male,
She goes,
and then...
"Oh, Jose!" Isisigaw pa nung immigration officer.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I mean, these are the simple ones.
Yeah.
Wala pa yung actual discrimination.
That's true.
In school, at the workplace, wala pa yan. I see the point.
Yeah.
But one thing that we have to... I told them, is it a handicap? No. Is it a disease? No.
No.
What is it?
It's a choice.
No, I agree it's a choice, but I think we came into a long discussion. There's this paper that came out
that
if it's a handicap, you can judge, you can justify it in the law. But if it's not, we're not yet there. Okay. We're getting there. So I told them I'm not willing to concede that it is. They said we're not willing to concede too that it is. But under existing laws, if it is, then you can justify it.
That's true.
If it's a condition, if it's a condition, meaning you can discriminate against a particular condition, but it's not a condition.
No, it's not. Okay, but
so it's complicated.
There is one. I know of someone who declared biologically female but declares that she's male. I mean, her orientation is male. So nilagay siya sa male dorm in college.
Born
babae siya. Physically babae siya but says my orientation, but her gender for herself is male. Her sensibilities. She refers to herself as male. Ang danger lang doon, nilagay siya sa dorm ng lalaki ng college, first year college. So, parang yun yung kasi male yung chinek niya sa application form So, inassign siya doon.
But they would have realized it later on.
Yeah. Well, they knew, but in the States, they respect what you check. Yeah, what you check.
What you tick.
Exactly, the box
so what
that
happened?
you tick. had to arrange for another housing for him. He refers to himself as him. So that person, his name is Max. Kasi may danger, di ba? I mean, I don't know. Ano ba yun? Mali ba yun? This is such an unexplored thing.
It's no, but I think we should start talking about it.
I think so.
Personally.
Yeah.
Alam mo dati when I think Lad supported me, I got beaten black and blue at that time on social media na you're one of them, you're blah blah blah, as if trying to bait you into saying and being defensive to say, of course not. I mean,
yeah. Because Lad supported your bid for senator.
Yes. Okay. Di ba parang you can feel it.
Yeah.
Na you must be one of them.
What did you do?
Actually,
Ignore?
No, I addressed it. I mean, what's wrong with it?
With being gay?
No, what's wrong with it to begin with? And what's wrong with not being and actually believing in it too and supporting it? I mean,
do gay men like run after you?
No.
Really? They don't like you?
No.
You're not sexy enough and you're not...
Well, you were surprised in relation to Hart answering me or even allowing me to court her, so I guess it applies to the rest.
Wait, I hope that wasn't insulting. So, I didn't mean that's not insulting at all. Sinabi ko lang, grabe!
Wala ako sa level na yan.
Grabe,
wala ako
kasi
sa
Chiso, kapal lang
wala
mo
ako sa
ang
level.
niligawan si Hart, tapos
hindi ganun kataas ang tingin ko sa sarili ko. Huwag ka magala.
However, we're happy to see you. We can wrap up now. But ang daming, ngayon pa pumapasok yung mga tanong. Sorry, never mind. Baka ngayon lang sila nag-log on or ako lang. So you don't regret supporting Noiby? That's another question. Are you and Marlo as friends?
Not as close as we used to.
You used to be close?
Yeah, we worked together in the house.
Is Jojo Ochoa your friend?
Yes, I met him through Noynoy.
Bagal naman nung yes na yun. Yes! Just kidding.
No, yes, I met him through Noynoy.
He also stopped smoking.
Yes, I think ahead of me.
Yes. Okay, I'm sorry. Ang daming tanong, but they're mostly, who do you like, who do you hate? Blah, 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 blah.
Yun ang showbiz.
Yeah, that's why nga. Di ako nagtatanong nga eh. Alright. I think we can wrap up now.
Okay.
Will you come back? Oh, wala na ring traffic. Nagpalipas tayo ng traffic. Wala na traffic.
Dahilan.
Hey, okay, you cannot leave and say, what a fucking waste of time that radio show was. No.
I would have stuck. I would have been stuck in traffic anyway.
Salamat. That was my option.
It was a close call, but I think time better spent here than inside the car.
Ulul. No, actually, we had a point for this show. I think we wanted to ask how you were because the last time we saw you was a long time ago. And the second is
I think the last time it was in Pasig.
Yes, Jam. Yeah. Then before that was NU. Yeah. You know what? We invited you to, but then my two co-hosts just bailed on me tonight. We wanted to check how you were. We wanted to check
hi to Rin and hi to Lord.
Before you get married, parang we wanted to talk to you before you got married. And the second was really we wanted to know if you're running for president or not. We wanted to check.
Flattering.
That's all.
Flattering, but no, I don't think so. Not at this point in time.
But I'll ask you again in 6 months.
Yes, probably.
7 months.
Probably it'll be roughly the same. I might be more content by that time.
Malay mo, sabi ko nga, step on the gas or settle down.
Really? I mean, can't it be the same? Probably.
You can't be the same after you marry the girl of your dreams. It just doesn't happen. Either you settle down, get fat with dogs, or you become president because you finally have
nung unang binanggit mo talaga na wala kang problema sa mundo, walang babanat sa'yo, walang babatiko sa'yo, walang pakialam.
Private life attract you now?
It's always green on the other side of the fence ever since.
God, that's so cliche, but sure, I'll take it.
But probably when I'm there, I'll miss